Negative thoughts can affect our mood, energy, and overall well-being. Learning how to reduce these thoughts can help improve mental health and bring more positivity into life. Here are some effective ways to reduce negative thoughts. Recognize and accept negative thoughts. The first step is to notice when you are having negative thoughts. Don't try to push them away or ignore them. Accept that these thoughts are there, but remind yourself they do not define who you are. Awareness is the key to change. Challenge negative thinking. Ask yourself if the negative thought is really true. Often, negative thoughts are exaggerated or not based on facts. Replace these thoughts with more realistic and positive alternatives. For example, change. I always fail to. I am learning and improving every day. 3. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When negative thoughts come, observe them without getting caught up. Meditation helps calm the mind and create space between you and your thoughts. Focus on gratitude. Make a habit of thinking about things you are grateful for. Gratitude shifts attention away from negative thoughts and builds a positive mindset. You can write a daily gratitude list or simply think about 3 good things every day. Limit exposure to negative influences. Avoid spending too much time on negative news, social media, or people who bring you down. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who encourage and uplift you. Take care of your body. Exercise, healthy eating, and enough sleep can improve your mood and reduce stress. When your body feels good, your mind is less likely to dwell on negative thoughts. Practice positive self-talk. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Use positive affirmations like I am capable or I deserve happiness. This helps change the way you think about yourself and your situation. Engage in activities you enjoy. Do things that make you happy and bring meaning to your life. Hobbies, creative work, or spending time with loved ones can distract your mind from negativity and boost your mood. Seek professional help if needed. If negative thoughts are overwhelming and hard to manage, talking to a therapist or counselor can be very helpful. They can provide tools and support to work through difficult emotions. Reducing negative thoughts takes time and practice, but small daily changes can make a big difference. Remember, your thoughts do not control you. You can control your thoughts.